Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add images to a Squarespace page. This is squarespace.com, and first I need to log in to my account by filling my email address and password. Click on this website button below the website you want to add images on. Go to Pages. Select the page you want to add your images on. Click on, let's work on this no header page. Click on this edit button from the top to go into the editing mode. Now I can add a section and blocks to my page. Click on add section, and from this left side menu, click on images. Select the images template you want to go with. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize for your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. I prefer this one. Click on it and your images will show up here. Now to edit these default images, click on edit section. Click on edit gallery. You can delete your old photos and add new ones from your computer. You can select multiple images from your computer and click on open to upload them to your Squarespace page. Now that my photos are uploaded completely, close this window, click on save, then click on this exit button to preview your page live. This is your default images, and these are the ones I uploaded from my computer. To edit this image or images, click on this edit button again, select the images section and click on edit section. From here you can edit the gallery type, for example a slideshow like this one, this type of slideshows. This is a real type slideshow. You can also edit the size of the photos. For the controls location, you can place them below like that or on the side. You can add a caption to your photos, and also you can add this divider style. Under colors, you can edit your images section colors just like that. Let's go with this white color, and again don't forget to save your work to not lose your editing. That was all for this video. Don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe. Thank you.